Hello and welcome everybody. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. And today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Pisces for February 2019. When I say general reading, this is going to cover your love, career, soul story, what's going on for February. Now, I want to apologize for me being MIA there for a while. I had a lot of family issues that needed to be tended to, but as of now, everybody's in great health. I've been back meditating, and my mind is clear to give you guys the best readings that I possibly can. So let's just start off with the planets and the signs for February. On February 3rd, we have Venus is entering Capricorn. On February 4th, we have a new moon in Aquarius. On the 10th, we have Mercury is going into your sign. So you might see a little bit of a spike in communication because Mercury is the planet of communication, speed, messages. So you might see a change after the 10th. On the 14th, we have Mars is leaving your sign and entering Taurus. You're definitely going to see a change of energy there too. On the 19th, we have a full moon in Virgo, and that sums up what's going on. If you guys want to comment below, if you have any more questions about what I just went over, I am happy to answer them. As well as if you want to find out your moon sign, comment below with your full birthday, and I will respond with your moon sign. Everybody is aware, of course, of their sun sign, but it's very important to be aware of your moon sign too, because that reflects your inner beliefs, the way that you feel emotionally on the inside. And the sun sign is what everybody sees of you, your personality, your social life, okay? So kind of putting the two together really is what makes you unique. All right. I'm reading from the Rider-Waite deck. After I do so, I will see from my intuition whether I'm going to pull a message from the fairies or from the angels. I also have my animal spirit here deck as well. All right. Let's jump into it. If you guys would like to book a private reading, go ahead and email me. I also have a Facebook too. I have a strong community on there. I like to frequently post inspirational stuff to remind you of the magical being that you are and your ability to manifest. Okay, some words of wisdom too on there too as well. You can feel free to message me on Facebook too. All right. We are starting off with the Seven of Pentacles. A lot of you guys are putting some work into your relationships, mainly your workload here. Right now, you are planting your seeds. Some of you guys might be going to school or thinking about going to school, maybe doing some training, maybe finding a new career that really suits your needs, where you feel it's not a dead end and you are valued. You are an asset there, okay? As you can see, he has planted his seeds. He is waiting for his harvest, and he's waiting patiently, okay? So you will reap the benefit of that harvest. You just have to put in the time. Okay. Let's see here. All right. We have the Six of Swords, and we have Justice making an appearance in your reading. So for the Six of Swords, I feel a lot of you guys might have some family issues going on. It could involve your immediate family, your spouse, and your children. You could be moving too as well. It definitely is weighing on you, but it is nothing that you can't handle. As you can see, the current is not rough. It is not unbearable, but it is definitely stressful. You can see that there is land in the background, so whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish, whether it's a divorce or a move or adding new members into the family, it is stressful, but it is not impossible, and it is something that you, my Pisces, can conquer. Okay? With the Justice card going on, a lot of you guys might be going through some legal issues, okay? It could be custody, it could be divorce, it could be, a criminal case, or, something involving your work. If not, I feel there could be a Libra in your life that is making a heavy influence, whether it's your mother, your father, your children, your friends, a coworker. There is somebody there that you can bounce these ideas off of. If it's not a Libra that is entering your love life or there in your family life or your career, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be balanced out. You are not balanced, Pisces, and you know it, okay? You need to rule with justice, making sure that what you are doing is good karma for you or whoever else is involved or affected, okay? Making sure that it is weighed out evenly and everybody is done right. Don't do anything that is in bad karma, because it does come back to get you, okay? All right. Well, that was a very simple reading. I feel like a lot of you guys are putting in a lot of investment in your future, your education, your career. You guys have a lot to do, a lot of anxiety, I almost want to say, regarding your family life, okay? And if it's not your family life, it could be perhaps people that are, you know, you're co-mingling with a project, or perhaps, you know, your dating life. It's a little bit more, it's not as easygoing as you would have thought. But like I said, the current, as you can tell, is not impossible. It is nothing that you yourself can't paddle through. And there is luscious land in the background there. So yes, it is far in the distance, but it's not unseen. You can see it. You can see the end result, okay? And it's beautiful. It's something you've been salting after for a while. Just make sure with how you do it is in good karma, good justice. It's evenly distributed, okay? As you can see, he has a scale in his hand, okay, and a sword in the other, okay? Perhaps some of you guys want to be a lawyer or a police officer or something that serves the community, okay? It could also be another idea for some of you guys. These readings can be kind of vague, guys. That's why I always shout out for the private readings, okay? I'm trying to read all my Pisces here, so if you feel like some of it doesn't really tune with you and some of it does, you know, it's better than nothing, right? All right, so let's see here. I am shuffling from the Angels cards. That is just what I picked up, and that is what I am doing. Ace of Fire. An exciting new opportunity. Career advancement. Change your life now. I feel this really does tie in together with the Seven of Pentacles. Change your life now. You might not see the benefit now, but it is coming, okay? Let your seeds grow. There's a very good quote that I love. The people who tried to bury you in life didn't know you were a seed. It's beautiful, ain't it? So let that time pass by. If you're taking the right step forward, or you've already taken the right step and you don't see the benefits now, just wait. You'll get through the current, okay? And justice will be served. All right. Heck, we're doing one from the fairies too. Let's do it. This has been a very straightforward reading for you guys. If you guys have any questions, comment below, all right? I am quick to respond. Whoop. One's flying away. This message is flying away. Oh my gosh, and it is all career related for you guys, I feel like. New career. Your work focus is shifting in a positive, new, and successful direction. Man, this Seven of Pentacles is really, like, you needed this card. This message needed to be said to you guys. Just because, like I keep saying, just because you don't see it now doesn't mean it's not going to happen. All right? Your work focus is shifting in a positive, new, successful direction. I'm going to zoom in up on that card because it is beautiful. You can see that energy is just coming within, okay? Embrace it. Just because you're not reaping the benefits now doesn't mean you won't later. All right, guys. That sums up our reading for February 2019. And I just want to say happy birthday to some of you guys who have that birthday at the end of February. All right. shout out, leave a comment below, email me for a private reading, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, do whatever your heart tells you to, okay, Pisces? Thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful February.